So good morning children. So last class we have discussed up to lesson number 14, acid, bases and salt. Okay. So today we are going to start the new lesson, carbon and its compound. Not in chemistry, carbon and its compound. So what is mean by carbon? So carbon is one of the element present in the modern periodic table. So what is the symbol of carbon? Capital letter C. Okay. So and its compound. Okay. It means what ma? So based on this carbon. Okay. So for example, carbon combined with oxygen to give what? Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. So carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide are the examples of what ma? Compounds. Okay. Its compounds. Okay. Can you understood? So what is mean by carbon and what is mean by carbon? Its compound. Okay, so first who has introduced this concept here in chemistry part? Okay, Anthony Lavoisier. Okay, Anthony Lavoisier named carbon from Latin, not in German language. Okay, Latin language, carbo means coal. Carbo means coal. Okay, so maximum words are derived from in German language, so automatically we will use to write German, so we should not use here German. So instead of German we have to use what ma? Latin. So carbo means coal. Carbo means what ma? Coal. So what is the color of coal? Black color. Okay, what is the color of coal ma? Black color. Okay, so carbon is the main constant where ma? Coal. So how it was formed? Which one? Coal. Okay, so long back ago. Okay, that means what ma? We cannot find out how many years. Okay, so suddenly all the living things and non-living things buried where? Under the earth due to the natural disorders. Okay, slowly they have changed into what ma? Coal. Okay, which one? Living things and non-living things. So which one is present in the main constant of coal? Carbon is present in the main constant of what ma? Coal. Okay, the same way. Next one, what ma? In earth crust. Okay, so carbon is present in everywhere. For example, earth crust. Okay, how many? Okay, how much? Okay, in earth crust. Okay, 320 ppm. Okay, 320 ppm. Okay, ppm means what ma? Parts per weight. Okay, by weight. Okay, the same way atmosphere also 300 ppm per weight. Okay, so carbon chemistry is otherwise known as living chemistry. Why it is called as living chemistry? So without carbon we cannot able to live in this world. Okay, so whatever may be the things, we may take any living things which is present in the main element. So carbon is present in the main element, so it is called as what chemistry ma? Living chemistry. Okay, so next one, discovery of carbon. Discovery of carbon. Discovery of carbon. So first who found the carbon from where? From this world. Okay, so that is called what ma? Discovery of carbon or milestone. Milestone. So discovery of carbon, the milestone. Okay, so carbon has been known since ancient times in the form of what ma? Soot, charcoal, graphite and diamond. Okay, in the ancient time itself they have started to use what ma? Carbon, but in the form of what? Soot, charcoal, graphite and diamond. Okay, so in the year of 1772, in the year of 1772, that means what ma? The middle of the 17th century, Anthony Lavoisier. Okay, Anthony Lavoisier and co-workers. Okay, they have started to do one of the experiment. Okay, so what is the name of this experiment? So based on this diamond. Okay, so they have taken the diamond. Okay, they kept in one of the box. Which one? Diamond. Okay, so they kept in where? One box. Okay, so with the help of powerful magnifying lens, okay, they have focused in which light ma? Sunlight. Okay, so they have focused the sunlight to the diamond. Okay, with the help of what ma? Powerful magnifying lens. So after receiving the sunlight from where? From the sun. Okay, the diamonds combined with oxygen to give what ma? Carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, after burning up the diamond, okay, they have put for weight for the carbon dioxide. Okay, that weight is equal to the original weight of the diamond. Original weight of the diamond. So in this way they have concluded what ma? So different type of materials contain same element. Which one? Same element. Which one ma? Carbon. Okay. So in this way they got what ma? One conclusion about what ma? Discovery of carbon. The same way in the year of 1779, okay, Carol Child, okay, next Smithson Tennant. In this year they have done one of the experiment. Okay, the same way in 18th of the century, 19th century, okay, they have done different type of experiment to prove that which one ma? So carbon is present in the following materials. So what are the materials? What are the materials? Okay, soot, graphite, diamond, and charcoal. So all these materials contains what ma? Which is the basic element present in these materials. Which one ma? Carbon. So in this way they found what ma? The discovery of carbon. Okay. So the elaborated message is given in where ma? Textbook. Just you have to read the textbook. Okay. Next one, classification of carbon compounds. Classification of carbon compounds. Compounds of carbon are classification of compound. Classification of carbon compounds. So what is mean by classification? What is mean by classification? So carbon is found both in the free state as well as in what state ma? Combined state. Okay. Carbon is found in where? Free state, free and combined state. Free and combined state. Okay, sometimes carbon alone is present, sometimes carbon is combined with some other element. So that is the meaning about what ma? Combined state. Okay, so prehistory of period, the ancient used to manufacturing of coal by burning of organic materials. Okay, so middle of the 19th century. So middle of the 19th century, Berzelius, okay, Berzelius classified carbon compound based on their sources. Okay, one is what ma? Organic compound. One is organic compounds. Another one is what ma? Inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds. So based on their what? Sources. Okay, so carbon compound can be classified into two types. Okay, one is organic compounds, another one is inorganic compound. So what is mean by organic compounds? Okay, so compounds which are obtained from living things. So living things means what ma? Plants and animals. Plants and animals. So that type of materials are called organic compounds or organic materials. So inorganic means what ma? Compounds which are obtained from non-living things. Okay, so non-living things means what are the things are called non-living things. For example, mineral, rocks, soil, sand. So these things are called what ma? Non-living things. Okay, so substances which are obtained from these things are called inorganic compounds. For example, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate. For examples of organic compounds, cellulose, ethanol, starch. Okay, so these are all the examples of what ma? Organic compounds. Next one, organic compounds of carbon and inorganic compounds of carbon. So carbon combined with few elements to make it as a organic compound. The same way, carbon combined with few elements to make it as what ma? Organic and inorganic compound. Inorganic compounds organic compounds. Okay, inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Okay, first one we will see the organic compounds. So carbon combined with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Okay, so carbon combined with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur to make it as what ma? Organic compounds. Okay, to make it as organic compounds. Okay, first we will see organic compounds. Next one we will see inorganic compounds. Okay, so carbon combined with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur to form what ma? Different types of organic compounds. Different types of organic compounds. Okay, so the same way after combining of these elements, okay, so many compounds are formed. The compounds are classified into different types. Okay, namely hydrocarbons, alcohols, aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acid, amino acids, etc. Okay, so in higher classes we will study about these compounds briefly. Okay, so next one, carbon combined with inorganic materials. Okay, carbon combined with inorganic materials, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. Okay, etc. to form what ma? Inorganic compounds. Okay, so the maximum elements combined with here also to form what ma? Inorganic compounds. Okay, as compared to organic compounds, okay, inorganic compounds are limited. Okay, when compared to organic compounds, okay, inorganic compounds are what ma? Limited. Among them, oxides, carbides, sulfides, cyanides. Okay, oxides means which one is present? Oxygen is present. Nitrates means nitrogen is present. Sulfates means what ma? Sulfur is present. The same way carbonates and bicarbonate also present. Okay, so carbon form both organic compounds and inorganic compounds with the help of what ma? Combined with other elements. Okay, next one. Okay, in our textbook one tabular column format is given ma, the list of inorganic compounds. Okay, how to prepare these compounds and uses and properties also it is given. Okay, so first compound we will see carbon monoxide. Okay, first one carbon monoxide, second one carbon dioxide, third one calcium carbide, fourth one carbon disulfide CS2, fifth one calcium carbonate CaCO3, next sixth one sodium bicarbonate. Okay, sodium NaHCO3. Okay, NaHCO3. Okay, so in our textbook page number 174, okay, 174, okay, few inorganic compounds names are given. So how to prepare these compounds? The same way properties and uses also it is given. Okay, first one we will see the carbon monoxide. So what is the symbol of carbon monoxide? Capital C and capital O. So how many elements are present? Two elements are present. One is carbon, another one is oxygen. So what is the uses of carbon monoxide? Okay, so main components of which one ma? Water gas. Okay, so combined with hydrogen to produce what ma? Water gas. The same way it is used as a powerful reducing agent. Okay, properties also it is given in our textbook. Just you have to go through the properties. Okay, next one carbon dioxide. So what is the symbol of carbon dioxide? CO2. Okay, it is used as a powerful reducing agent. Okay, so carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide used in where ma? Fire extinguishers, preservative for fruits, making bread, to manufacturing of urea, carbonated water, nitrogenous fertilizers, dry ice in refrigerators. Okay, dry ice. So solid carbon dioxide is known as what ma? Dry ice. Okay, next one calcium carbide. Calcium carbide. So what is the chemical formula of calcium carbide? CaC2. Okay, here two types of elements are present. One is calcium, another one is carbon. Okay, it is used to manufacturing of graphite and hydrogen to prepare acetylene gas for welding. Next one, carbon disulfide. Okay, carbon disulfide. Okay, so what is the chemical formula for carbon disulfide? CS2. Okay, so it is used for solvent for sulfur to manufacturing of rayon, fungicides and insecticides. Okay, next fifth one, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Okay, it is used as an acid. An acid. Okay, last one, sodium bicarbonate. Last one, sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so preparation of sodium carbonate, baking powder and acid. Okay, preparation of what ma? Sodium carbonate, baking powder and acids. Okay, so these are all the uses of what ma? Different types of inorganic compounds. Okay, the same way physical properties also it is given. So what is mean by physical properties? What is the color? What is the shape? What is the nature? That means what ma? Solubility. Okay, these things also it is given in our textbook, just you have to go through. Okay, so next class we will see what is the salient features of carbon. What is the special features of what ma? Carbon. Okay, so many elements are present in the modern periodic table. Why we are looking carbon alone? So what is the special features? That is called what ma? Salient features of carbon. Okay, there are 5 properties are given in our textbook. One is what ma? Catenation. Second one, tetravalency. Third one, multiple bonds. Fourth one, isomerism. Fifth one, allotropy. So next class we will see these 5 properties. Okay, so that is called what ma? A salient features of carbon. Okay, so that's all. Today topic is over. So what is the homework for today? Okay, so continuous question number should be given ma. Already question number 12 is over. Next 13th one, 14 and 15. Okay, so 13th question, define inorganic compounds. Define inorganic compounds, full stop, give examples. Okay, so 15th one, define organic compounds, full stop, give examples. Okay, next 15th one, list out the or to make the tabular column format of what ma? Inorganic compounds. Okay, preparation and uses of inorganic compound. Tabulate the uses of and preparation of what ma? Inorganic compounds. Okay, that is the tabular column format is given. Page number 174. List out the what ma? Formation, properties and uses of inorganic compounds. Okay, inorganic compounds. Page number 174. Page number 174. Okay, so that's all. Today topic is over. Okay, so remaining part we will see in the next class. Okay, so thank you children. Thank you.